In this DIY, I will make earrings with a chain. I always make my own hoops and I use memory wire, and I started by making a loop at the end. Now I'm going to put the beads on. I use 4mm white seed beads and 3mm silver plated spacer beads. And I put 12 of each on, but you can choose as many as you like. Now when I've strung all the beads, I will close this up. And now I will put it together. Then I will use this big bead. And then I will have a jump ring to close this up. Like this. And now I will add a chain with some charms on. So I'm going to do that now. Then I'm going to put a bead on. use a jump ring. So add the chain. Like that. And then I'm going to put it in the ear hook here. And close it. And this is what they look like when they're finished. You can choose other charms, other beads, anything you like. Thank you so much for watching, and please give the video a thumb up. Bye bye.